What is a gerund? How can we use it? Ever wondered why swimming or reading feels like a noun, but also acts like a verb? Stick around because today we're diving deep into the world of gerunds and how they can level up your English skills. Hey everyone! Welcome back to SAH English Insights, the place where we break down complex English concepts into simple, easy-to-understand lessons. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our helpful tips. Today we're going to explore an important yet sometimes tricky topic: gerunds. What are they? How do we use them? And why are they so important in everyday English? Let's get into it. 1. What is a gerund? That explanation. A gerund is a verb form that functions as a noun. It looks like a verb because it ends in ing, but it actually behaves like a noun in a sentence. For example, running is fun. Here, running is a verb in its ing form, but it acts as the subject of the sentence, which is a noun role. Confusing? Let's simplify it. While a regular verb expresses action, a gerund expresses action as a concept, an idea, or something that happens. It's important to understand that despite its ing ending, it's not a verb anymore, it's a noun. 2. Why are gerunds used? Usage and reason. Gerunds are incredibly useful because they allow us to express actions or activities as ideas, making our language more flexible and creative. We use gerunds in a variety of ways. As the subject of a sentence, reading helps you learn. As the object of a verb, she enjoys swimming. After prepositions, he is good at singing. Using gerunds lets us describe actions and activities without being too wordy. Instead of saying, I like to swim in the ocean, you can say, I like swimming in the ocean. It's more concise and still perfectly clear. 3 examples of gerunds in sentences. 3 examples. Let's go over 3 examples to see how gerunds work in different contexts. Example 1. Eating healthy is important. In this case, eating is the gerund, acting as the subject of the sentence. This shows us that the act of eating healthy is being treated as a concept or idea. Example 2. He loves traveling around the world. Here, traveling is the gerund, and it's the object of the verb loves. The sentence is telling us that his enjoyment is focused on the activity of traveling. Example 3. I'm interested in learning new languages. In this example, learning is the gerund, and it follows the preposition in. This shows how gerunds can follow prepositions and help us describe an activity we're interested in. 4. Why are gerunds important in English? Now, why should you care about gerunds? Well, they're a crucial part of mastering English because they give you a way to talk about activities and ideas without always needing a full sentence with a subject and verb. They allow for smoother, more efficient communication, especially when talking about likes, dislikes, habits, and ongoing actions. Knowing how to use them correctly will make your English sound more natural and polished. So let's recap what we've learned today. A gerund is a verb form that ends in ing and acts as a noun. Gerunds can be used as subjects, objects, or after prepositions. They make your language more concise and dynamic. By now, you should have a good understanding of what gerunds are and how to use them in your sentences. If you want to practice, try writing 3 sentences using gerunds, and feel free to share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Check out these other videos from SAH English Insights to continue improving your English. See you soon.